Hey guys, welcome to Mark the Point. I'm here. I'm on the Allure of the Seas over in the Royal Caribbean, and the casino is closed. So we're going to be doing a little bit of rollouts. I'm not going to be betting any money or betting any chips. Basically, I have all my chips here. I have my dice. I'm just going to be trying to mark what actually rolls, so I can just see how many rolls I have. I got about 13 or 14, so if I get over that many rolls, then I'll be doing good anyways. So I'm just going to mark out every single time I hit a number, and here we go. Let's go with a 6-4 dice set here. 6-4, 6-4. Do a little bit of dice set, try it out, see how it goes. And that's going to be a boxcars 12. That's going to be the sixes. So here we go. Let's mark it up. So I'm going to be retrieving them myself. So it's going to be a little bit of weight between, but that is boxcars. I'm going to put the 12 right there. Go back to it. So by the way, that was an absolute perfect throw because they started on 12 just like that, and they ended the same way. So perfect throw. All right, here we go. Dice out. And that is a 9. That's going to be a 6-3-9. That's a center field 9. This thing skipped up in the air if you saw them. I know you can't see them, but they skipped up pretty high. That's going to be on a 9. See how many rolls I can get out of it. I was rolling a little bit earlier, and again, all the casinos closed. I'm only doing practice rolls. And I probably rolled for about 15 times, so that was a pretty good roll. Here we go. That was a better throw. That's a 10. It's going to be the 6-4. 6-4, 10. So I'm looking for the inside numbers because typically when I'm betting the inside, which is the 5, 6, 8, 9. I usually have about a quarter or something on the 10, so I'm getting some money out of it. But I like to press my inside bets more, so I'm looking for them inside numbers. And here we go. Yeah, going for that 6-4, 6-4 dice set. That was a beautiful throw. That's gonna be the 6. That's gonna be a 5-4-9. Excuse me, 5-4-9. So I've hit the 9 twice now. Repeater. Put it right there. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe for me, guys. I've got some rollout videos. Again, I am on the Allure of the Seas right now, just doing a little practice running before the games start tonight, or the casino opens up. Oh, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. That's another 9, guys. That's another 6-3-9 center field. I love that throw. It hit the back wall. I know you can't see it from the video, but it hit. You can't see it. Oh, cool. So it hit the back wall and just died right at the bottom. That's exactly what you're looking for. You want him to die. All right, here we go. 3 9s already. How about that? I'll take that all day. And there's a Yo 11. That's going to be a mid Mochiro. 6-5-11. So let's see here. I'm waiting on the. That's the case. I'm only waiting on the 8 to hit the tall. So again, these tables do not have a ATS or an all tall small, but I am only missing the 8 on the tall. All right, here we go. Dice out. We got here. Oh, there's 617. That's big red. All right, that's all right. It was a good roll. Let's see how many we got here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rolls. So that's about as random as it gets right there. Let's do it for another run here. See how we do. All right, 6-1. Again, I'm not marking the point. I don't have a point puck, so I'm just rolling out and practice rolls. Let's see how we do. All right, that's gonna be back on the 9. I'm chilling at 9 right now. That's gonna be a 5-4 this time. So let's mark the 9 right there. This set seems like it likes that 9 a pretty good bit. Again, going with the 6-4, 6-4, just like that. I grip it right in the middle, right in the back. That seems like that works the best for me. And we have a 3-2-5. All right, that's gonna be a no field 5. So what's happened is when you hit a 9, the numbers are one way. When you hit a 5, it literally flips them upside down. So that's a 3-2, and that's a 5-4. So just flip them upside down. Let's mark the 5 over there. Slide it over a little bit. So this is roll number 3 coming out. Again, 6-4, 6-4 dice set. And here we go. And we got a 5, 4, 9, another one, guys. We got another 9. Check this out. 5, 4 this time. I have to keep remember of that whenever I'm rolling tonight. Whenever the casino opens. Again, this is the Allure of the Seas. And all right, here's roll number 4. And there is a hard 8, guys. That is going to be the square pair. There's 8 that I wanted a while ago. Didn't come that time, but it came this time. Be a hard 8. All right, mark it up. This is roll number 5. So basically, this did a just a 1 turn on both of them because there's that hard 8 right there. So both of them just turned up 1 level, just like that. On axis. Here we go. And there's a Yo 11. That's going to be another mid-mo Chiro. Mid-mo Yo. So it's 11. Let's mark it up. So right now I'm only waiting on the 10 again for that tall. Again, there's no ATS on this one, but it's kind of cool to hit them when they hit them. All right, there we go. Dice out. Oh, almost hit the back wall. That's another mid-mo Yo. That's a 6, 5, 11. Let's mark it back up. So that's 2 of them right here. Just like that. It's 2 of them. We'll roll you on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've gotten 3 out there. So we're on roll 7 total right now. So if I hit this one, I am above Random Randy. All right, again, 6, 4, 6, 4. Dice that. All right, that was a beautiful shot. That's going to be the 6, 3, 9. That's the center field 9. All right, we'll take that. Goes back on line. Look at that, guys. Between last time and this time, look how many 9s I've hit. 1 more, and it's considered a repeater bet. And the repeater bet means there's 4 ways to roll a 9. I've already hit 3 of them. If I hit the 4th one, it's a repeater bet. Here we go. And that's a 4, 1, 5. I'll take it. Turn them dice upside down. That's the 4, 1. So let's mark the 5. Just like that. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is roll 9, guys. Roll 9. 6, 4, 6, 4 dice set. Just a little bit of practice throwing here. Here we go. And that is a 5, 1, 6. That's going to be the easy 6. We'll take that. Hadn't hit the 6 yet. That's a 6. All right. Got a shooter. Got a shooter. 6, 4. 6, 4, just like that. All right, there we go. About to run out of chips here in a minute. And that's going to be the hard 4 this time, guys. That's going to be the 2, 2. The hard 4. So that's going to mark up the 4. All right, so look at there. Looking pretty good so far. Looking for a 10. Looking for a 2, 3, and a 12. I've got 3 chips left. Here we go. Let's go, shooter. And that's going to be the 10. How about that? That's a tall, guys. That is a 6, 4, 10 down there on the end. Oh, that's not a tall. I hadn't hit 12. I'm sorry. I hadn't hit 12 yet. Still waiting on hitting 12. So I told you wrong. There we go. 6. It's got a 6, 4, 6, 4. All the box numbers are covered. And that's another 5, 1, 6. That's going to be the easy 6. I need a retriever. I need somebody coming to get these dice for me. So we have 6. Let's mark it up. Right there. All right. Looking pretty good. I wish I'd brought more chips. That's all I brought with me, so we're going to work with them. Here we go. And that is another 4, 1, 5. That's going to be the no field 5, guys. Worked out pretty good. That one's going to go on the 5. So I've hit 3 5s. So I've hit 3 9s. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I know these are 3. I'm going to pull the 5s down, leave one there so I'll show it. Pull a couple of these out here. So we have to remember we need to add 2 to our final count at the end. Here we go. And that is going to be a 6, 1, 7, guys. That is the end. That is going to be a 7 out. Let's see how many rolls we end up having here. Let's count them all up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12, 13. So we had a 13 roller. I'll take that any day. All right, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to Mark the Point. Until next time, Mark the Point and stay awesome.